Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your Klover's dashboard. Now, for accessing dashboard customization, what you want to do is to log into your Klover account and then just click the dashboard or home tab and then click the customize or edit button, and you're gonna be able to access the dashboard customization option. Now, for customizing dashboard layouts, what you can do is to drag and drop. You can set drag and drop widgets, so you can set drag and drop widgets to rearrange the layouts and customize key informations. You can always also add or remove widgets to customize the dashboard to your needs, and you all can always just resize widgets to optimize the use of space. Now, for customizing dashboard content, you have customization options like account linking, and that helps to link additional accounts such as bank accounts, credit cards, or investments. You also have the transaction tracking, so you can customize transaction tracking to focus on specific accounts, categories, or date ranges. You also have the budgeting and goals, so you can set and track budgeting goals, such as saving for specific expenses or paying off debt. When it comes to customizing alerts and notifications, because you can always customize alert and notifications, you can set custom alerts for specific events, such as low account balance, or when you have large transactions. You can always just set custom alerts for that. You can always also set notification preferences, so you can customize notification preferences such as frequency, formats, and content if you want to do that. So those are all available on the app, so go ahead and enjoy that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.